Hey, my name is Bátor from Hungary. I live the life fully. I'm a backpacker. Wow. Super chill time on the boat. I have a lovely guest today. Changa. Boom! And we are here!
Guys, look at the beach. So many people now.
Padre Teide in the background. In a wonderful lunch on the boat. Fortunately, my throat is still have a pain. I cough a lot every morning and night. I don't know why. Maybe this cheese stuff what I found weeks ago doesn't help me. And yeah, my back is still a little pain. I wish I would be healthy. It's shit. Until you are really strong and powerful, you don't feel how vulnerable you are. Because now I feel really like down, like my pain here, pain in my back, all around my body. And everything is perfect. We don't really appreciate the health what we got or the good feeling until we get pain and sick and shit. Such a lovely day. Some people decide to come to Tenerife and they're just landing right now. Can you see the plane? It's coming. Welcome, people. This joy forever, taking me everywhere around the world. Yeah, guys, it's a new day. As you see, my throat is still shit. My voice is fucking crazy, and the weather is getting bad and bad. Wind is started to blow, so I should go right now because the wave's getting bigger and bigger. You have pain in your body, you have to move because otherwise you're gonna die. So, move or die, that's my rule.
Don't you give up now, you have made your vows. You might not know how, but you will find the key. Feel your soul arise from that spark in your eyes. Watch it come alive, this is your destiny.
Yeah, it's my old friend RP. He's chilling on the boat. He's a sailor as well.
You thought that it can't be done. Oh, can you see how far you've come? There's so much more space for you to fly. So I give up on what you love if you haven't tried. Don't you give up now. You have made your vows. You might not.
Hey guys, it's a new day and look who just came to this bay. It's the boat from the French hippies, the traveler hippies, Adrian and Weed and another guys. It's funny, I don't know who is on the boat now. Adrian is in Canada probably, and maybe Weed is there, but I think he moved back to France, so I'm going to go over and see what's happening there. Yay! Pull me up, guys! Yeah! Hey buddy, can you catch this? Yeah. Wow. It's a feat. Now you're a sailor, bro, yeah?
Yeah, man.
1 month on the sea or more. Yeah, guys, that's my boat over there. And Leon again. You remember him? We met 2 months ago in Las Palmas in the squad. And now we are here again on the French boat. What's the name of the boat?
Alcyon.
Alcyon. This is not Pokemon Go. This is how I'm gonna find my friend. J.A.K is coming. So excited. Another lovely day. Today is Friday, yeah? So we're gonna have a lovely lunch on the boat with J.A.K, who's gonna be my new crew member probably for the next days. Or the coming weeks or months or who knows. The guys are coming for the pump. I'm gonna give them a I have a spare pump and they need it. And last time they were really helpful. They helped me to build this panel, so it's obvious I'm helped them. Brother! Pump mission.
On essaye après? On essaiera après? Yes, we'll try after.
And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't be lonely, no matter how hard we try. And I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna chase it. I know we can't be lonely, no matter how hard we try. Fire in the veins, I fight to gain, breaking all the rules to keep me sane.
This is happening over my boat. What's name's Joy, so this is over Joy. Do you know what I mean? Boom! How's it going? How was the toilet? It works well?
Yeah, works? Yes.
You like the music?
Yes. Oh, sí.
Yeah. So say something funny on the selfie.
Let me be beautiful. With my beautiful hair.
Yeah? Yeah, it's a new lovely day. I have a lovely guest, Christina. How did you like the boat so far?
It was fantastic.
It's fantastic.
You're a fairy tale.
Fairy tale? So lovely day. No waves, the boat is just flat. I'm full with energy. And this beautiful, lovely woman. Love the life behind me as well. Yeah, guys, here we are again with Balázs. We're heading to north, and then we're gonna pick up my speaker what Darius left here. And my friend Darius, he lived in the cave, and he's also has a YouTube channel called Bright Homeless. What is probably his friend Arthur make it. Balázs is making movies and his studio, it's like this. Cool. This is the plan of Balázs. He's planning to travel around the world. Next year?
Next year.
So this is it, yeah?
Yeah.
And this is the battery?
No, it's not the battery, it's the charger.
Charger. Okay, cool. Wow! Heading to Los Gigantes, guys! It's gonna be so fun today. And I love this GoPro because it's small and you can just turn it around like this. And it's so good quality. We are ready to smash the Gigantes! Barefoot Dreamer. Lovely spot. Yeah. Yeah. Look at these guys. What a lovely road trip. So quiet. That's what I needed so much. Because in the sea is always moving and always a lot of noise. And here is like silence. Boom, guys, look at this. Booyah! This is the gift from Darius. And then the party will start! Music! Sun is setting and we are ready to do some yoga together with Chenge. Yeah, the spirituality, it's a really big part of my life. As you see, guys, I do a lot of yoga, asanas, and I'm really dig deep about the human the mental state of the mind, and a lot of things about that. Lovely day.
My mother was a teacher. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was with Kathleen.
Alright guys, so that was my latest episode. I hope you really liked that. Put a thumbs up if you did and subscribe of my channel. And you know, sometimes the boat life is a lot of struggle and I have to buy a lot of things for the boat, and I really want to keep going. I want to travel around the world with this boat, but it's very expensive. So I need your help, I need your support. So that's why I made a Patreon page here and the PayPal me link, where you can support me with your donation and your real help. So I hope you like that. And the next episode is coming out, and see you next time. Bye bye.